guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to show you all of my favorite colors for fall regarding nail polishes as well as gel polishes. So I have just gathered a ton of my favorites and this first one is called 41 Big City Vibes. It is by Essence. It's a regular nail polish. I'm just going to start off with the regular nail polishes and just split it in half, like first nail polishes then the gel polishes, because some people only like regular nail polishes, some people only like gel polishes, so that is why I am just splitting it up like that. And I am swatching it all on this little nail wheel. If you want to know where I get them, I just always order them from AliExpress. They're really inexpensive and just really easy to do some swatches on. You see me use them in like a ton of videos and they're just really handy. But this color by Essence is beautifully opaque in just two thin layers. It's a medium brown with beautiful bronze and golden shimmer in it. It really is perfect for fall. You could just wear it all over the nail, but it's really beautiful to wear in nail art as well. The next one is also by Essence and this is like a really lovely teal kind of color, and this one is 36 Say My Name. It is quite creamy, but I would suggest to just go in with two layers as well. You can see that the first one is still a little bit sheer, and I really love how deep and rich this color can get with the second layer. And here there was like a little cat hair in my swatch and I really wanted to get it out. Stuff like that happens when you have cats, like hair gets everywhere. It doesn't matter how much you vacuum or use like lint rollers or stuff like that. Sometimes there are just hairs in your nail polish swatches. Yeah, that just happens. But this is a nice teal shade. It really is something that you either love or hate, but I personally really love this particular polish because it has a slight shimmer in it. It isn't as shimmery or metallic-y as the previous color I just swatched, but it's just really like gentle and subtle and I really like that. The next up is a beautiful royal blue and this one is 31 Electric. Just electric with a lot of eyes in there. I have used this one in my, I think it was my cat inspired nail art tutorial as well. I used it to dry marble or dry brush, I have to say, sorry. I did a dry brush technique with this one. It is pretty opaque in the first layer, but personally I would definitely go for two layers and make sure that you double up your layers for your base coat as well if you are going to apply this on natural nails. This is a stainer, people. It is super opaque, so make sure to use like two good layers of base coat to protect your nails from staining. The next color is from Catrice and this one is 06 Splendid Atmosphere. It is from the Gold Effect nail polish range. I have done a full video of swatches and just a review on all of the 8 colors from this collection. So if you're curious about that, just check out that video. I have uploaded it like a month ago or something like that. This is just a really lovely medium purple with beautiful golden and a little bit of like a bronzy shimmer in there. I think it's a really gorgeous polish. It is completely opaque in just two thin layers. Also, if you have longer nails like I do, it is actually really affordable as well and pretty quickly opaque. Then the next color is also from the Gold Effect nail polish range. This is 07 Lustrous Seduction. It is a deeper purple shade, again with a lot of shimmer in there. They're really metallic-y. Again, something that you really either love or hate, but I really love it for fall. I think this is gorgeous to combine with that teal color from Essence actually, and really pretty to use in nail art, like tiny like details or effects. Maybe you want to do a marble with it. I think this would be a beautiful shade to just give that little bit of extra oomph to it. It's a beautiful deep purple, like a grapey winey purple color. I really love it. I know that there are a lot of you out there that really love purples as well, and I think this one is just a perfect fall like purple color. I really like that. Then I have one from the regular collection from Catrice, and this one is 88 Pink Makes the Heart Grow Fonder. I have shared this polish in so many designs. I've actually did a nail polish of the week video about it. This has to be one of my favorite polishes by Catrice ever. And you guys know me, I have a ton of Catrice polishes, like 400, 500 maybe, like a ton. This is a beautiful dusty rose pink, no shimmer, no glitter. It is completely opaque in just one layer and I just love it so much. Then we have another one, Enjoy the Lilac Things. This one is number 87. This is again kind of like a dusty fall color, like a dusty purple, really a different purple than the two shimmery ones I just swatched like 2 nails ago. This is a really lovely purple. It's kind of more a darker purple with some cool undertones in there, but I think it's really gorgeous and really lovely to actually how do you say that? To combine that with one of the other purples, which are really shimmery. Then the next one is this beautiful orange. You guys know me, I'm Dutch, and orange is just the way to go for me. This one is 83. Orange is the new black. I have also done a nail polish of the week video on that one, so if you want to know how it looks on my natural long nails, do check it out. It is a one coater, but do know that you need a good base coat to protect your nails from any staining, because it is so highly pigmented and so opaque. It will definitely drench through the top layer of your nail if you don't use a good base coat. So that were actually all of the colors, like nail polish wise. Now I'm going in with gel polishes. This one is Midnight Purple. It is by PJR. It is a really dark purple vampy color with some glitter in there. I think it's really pretty. It's more shimmery than glitter, I have to say, sorry about that, but I just really love the shimmer in there. It's like purple, a little bit of pink as well, and it has like a really dark grayish like undertone. It's really gorgeous. I have to say, always apply 2 thin layers of gel to not make it super bulky, and those by PJR are actually really neat. The next one is Powerful Plum, which is 170. This one has the new like label and packaging and all, like the bottle is exactly the same, but they definitely vamped up their labels. This is just a gorgeous color. It really reminds me of a pink color by Catrice, which was also super metallic-y. I can't think of the name right now, but I've done a nail polish of the week video on that color too, like a long time ago. Next up we have the gray color. This one is called Lady Grey. It is also by PJR. I think this is a beautiful color to combine with a ton of other colors for this fall. It is just a nice base color. You can do a lot of nail art on top of this or with this. I think it's just a nice one to have in your collection. And also, of course, you can go for a regular nail polish in that color. The last one from PJR is Army Green. I think Army Green is just perfect for fall. It is like a really soft color. It's not too bright, not too much in your face. And this Army Green one actually has a slight shimmer to it. I think this one is perfect to combine with like some gold detailing or something like that. I think that's just really pretty. So yeah, that were all of the colors by PJR that I really wanted to share. Next up are 4 colors by Madam Glam, and the first one is this beautiful green color. It's a little bit brighter than the Army Green, and this one is called Pistachio. It is from an earlier, I think like a spring collection from this year as well, but I really like it. I have to mention that when I recorded this video, I didn't have the back to school collection yet, which contains of like 10 beautiful fall colors. So that is why none of those colors are included in this video. But if you want to see my swatch and review video on that one, do check it out, because there definitely are some new fall favorites in there as well. Next up is a nude shade. This one is called Proud Nude. I think this is from the Daddy's Girl collection, which was like a Father's Day inspired collection, but this nude is just really nice. It actually looks a bit like the Serena color from the Back to School collection, which is totally like based upon Gossip Girl, which is pretty cool as well. But this Proud Nude shade, I've used it in a ton of my videos, and I've just used it a ton on my own nails as well. Then the last one is Blood Orange, and I'm actually wearing that in the Halloween design on my right hand. If you want to know how I made that design, I also made a video about that, so definitely check that out if you're curious. This one is neon, but it is like a beautiful neon pumpkin orange kind of tone. I just really love it so much. It actually is pretty opaque for a neon color, and I would suggest to just apply 2 thin layers to your natural nails. Then the last one is a perfect purple. It definitely is a perfect purple in my opinion, and this one is from the Perfect collection, of course, by Madam Glam. They have 12 perfect shades that you can actually mix as well. If you feel like I want like a little bit of a darker purple, just throw in some black or something like that. I would suggest to just apply 2, maybe 3 thin coats of this purple to your natural nails, because it is a little bit sheer, but it is a beautiful just medium purple shade. But that were already all of the favorite colors. I really love the gels, but the nail polishes as well. Let me know if you're more into gel polishes or nail polishes, or maybe both like I am. But thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comments down below. And as usual, I hope to see you in my next video.